టైం 5:36 అయింది, సారీ 6:35 అయింది. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ మై అవుట్ఫిట్ ఫర్ టుడే. అండ్ మొత్తం బ్యాగ్ కూడా ప్యాక్ అయిపోయింది. और इधर से अब मैं निकलूँगा टू NHDL विच इज़ दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन. और रेलवे स्टेशन से विद इन लाइक 1.5 hour जर्नी आई विल रीच हरियाणा पानीपत. My day 3. I'll want to stay there and see कैसा होगा उधर according to the itinerary. Okay, let's go. New Delhi station.
न्यू दिल्ली सोनिया सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस के समय में परिवर्तन किया गया है.
पानीपत स्टेशन. हाय गाइस, सो डे 3 फर्स्ट प्लेस हमारा है कालाअंब विच इज़ द प्लेस वेयर थर्ड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत हैपेंड. दिस इज हियर मेरा पीछे. एंड सरप्राइजिंगली नॉट मेनी पीपल आर हियर. आई मीन कोई भी नहीं है, जस्ट मी विजिटिंग द हिस्ट्री. सो लेट्स सी कैसा है. See guys, there are nobody except me in the third battle of Panipat. Pretty amazing. I'll show you one thing. देखो पीछे, it's nice. This place is so good. It's around 10:30 now. इतना ठंडी है इधर, बहुत ठंडी है. इट्स नाइस, पीसफुल. माई बैक. एंड नाउ स्लोली आई कैन सी द सन. इट्स गेटिंग वार्म. बहुत ही अच्छा है. हाय गाइस, सो फर्स्ट प्लेस इज डन. सुपर्ब, वेरी नाइस, पीसफुल. इट्स जस्ट हिस्ट्री, द वॉर प्लेस, नाइस. एंड फ्रॉम इधर से I'm going to next place which is Kabuli Mosque, which is like the first thing that Babur has built after defeating Ibrahim Lodi after his wife's name, and that is 4.5 kilometers from here. And guess what, I'm going by walk. Look at the road guys, मज़ा आएगा. Let's go, let's do it. Just look at the road guys. And look at the sun. It's nice, it's cool and warm and very very peaceful. Hi guys, so I just realized I need to have my breakfast before it's too late. So I stopped at a good place here. My bag में है मेरा food. I'm gonna enjoy the sunlight and have my breakfast here. Just now on the way I had pani puri. It was very sweet, बहुत sweet था वो. पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे बना है पानी को. The water is very sweet and overall very bad. Don't try pani puri in Haryana. Finally reached after 1.5 hour journey by walk. Now let me tell you something about this. So this is the first structure built by Babur after he defeated Ibrahim Lodi in Panipat battle, first battle of Panipat. This mosque is by her name, her wife name is Kabul. So this place is Kabuli Mosque, first place built by Babur after his wife. Wow! The better doom. How amazing! It's just me in this entire place. Me and my bag over there. Such a beautiful mosque. First structure built by Babur, guys. First structure. Hi guys. Difficult situation again. I need to visit Ibrahim Lodi's tomb now, but it's 2.5 kilometers and I'm not getting any Uber or Rapido or taxi. तो मैं पैदल चला जा रहा हूँ फिर से. Very tiring. हम This is the tomb of Ibrahim Lodi, the guy because of which we are under Mughal region, because he lost a very important war. This guy, which is the first war of Panipat, he lost in this battle, and that's it. Babur started the Mughal Empire, and next 3 centuries we are under his rule. And it is also a park, not just his tomb. Hi guys, so successfully completed 3 of my places today as per the itinerary. और एक place बाकी है, which is just a small temple where I'll just relax because I'm very tired. बहुत पैदल चला गया आज, and I'm waiting for my Uber so that I can reach railway station and clean my stomach. After which I'll go to the temple. टेम्पल के बाद मैं स्टेशन को चला जाऊंगा, where there is my dormitory, and I'll sleep there because next day at 3 a.m. I have my train. Okay. Hi guys, so successfully I cleared my stomach piche, and there is the railway station, and there is my, even in the railway station itself I have my dormitory. I'll check in at 8 o'clock, but check-in time is 8 o'clock, but 4 o'clock को मेरा सब कुछ हो जाएगा, 4-5 max. So I'll come back to dormitory and relax because my legs are in a lot of pain. And Panipat उतना अच्छा भी नहीं है, except the structures and the places I visited. Area wise, not that good. Yeah, even food wise, not good. Okay. Last place, Devi Temple. Return to my railway station dormitory. Juice, orange juice. This is waiting room in Panipat station. I waited here for 2 hours so that at 8 p.m. I can go to my dormitory because they are not allowing me before 8 p.m. But dormitory is superb. I'll show you. This is the dormitory in railway station, Panipat. My bed. Nobody knows this place. Nobody. It's only online booking, not offline. So it's just me and this army person we are going to share. Just 100 rupees for 12 hours. Hi guys. I'm currently in the dormitory of Panipat railway station. Excellent place, very peaceful. Only two of them. They have a very good bathroom with geyser, and I had one of the best baths ever. It was so good ki ఇట్లా స్నానం చేస్తుంటే బాత్రూమ్ మొత్తం ఇట్లా పొగలతో నిండిపోయింది. ఇట్ వాస్ దాట్ గుడ్. बहुत ही अच्छा था. And if you can see, I'm packing all my stuff here. मंचिका. So पूरा arrange करके I will sleep at maybe 10 o'clock. After that, morning 5:20 I have train. Just 2 steps. Here from here I have my train on the platform. So that's the plan. I'll arrange everything and I'll relax. This is my bed. This is my bed. Good bed. Mast hai. Very nice. And we have a security guard outside. Not exactly a security guard. He's somebody who's taking care of this dormitory. So I can rely on my bags and everything. That will be safe. And yeah, I can rely on him. He's somebody who can take care of who's coming and going out. Yeah guys, so far day 3 completed. So recap, day 3, first I started with direct auto to Kalamb. From Kalamb I walked 4.5 kilometers to the what's the place, Kabuli Mosque. From Kabuli Mosque I was not getting any other ट्रांसपोर्टेशन अवेलेबल, तो उधर से मैंने फिर से पैदल चला था 2.5 किलोमीटर्स टू इब्राहिम लोदी टूम. उधर से आई हैव टेकन ऑटो टू रेलवे स्टेशन बिकॉज मेरा पेट खराब हो रहा था. एंड रेलवे स्टेशन के पास देयर इज अ गुड वॉशरूम, तो उधर में जाके फ्रॉम देयर अगेन आई बुकड ऑटो टू देवी टेम्पल. देवी टेम्पल वॉज गुड. अच्छा पीस ऑफ माइंड मिला उधर फॉर लाइक 15-20 minutes. एंड देर आर लाइक 3-4 places I have stopped for charging. ठीक है, anyway, so after Devi temple I directly came to railway station at around 5:30, and 5:30 to 8 o'clock I have waited here because they weren't letting me in before 8 p.m. And yeah, but Panipat is not so good, but I have explored the places. I have explored the city and also the farmers area. That was beautiful, अच्छा है. And also farmers area maybe थोड़ा there's no very unhygienic places है. That's too bad. And the places are good, like the Kabuli Mosque or the Panipat, the third wall, like all those things. But yeah, and overall not so great. But one of the first best thing that happened today was covering those 3 main places, and second best thing was here having a good bath and sleeping in a good place just for 100 rupees. Morning 8 degrees in Panipat. 8 degrees. మొత్తం fog है. All these are petrol tanks. petrol. Hi guys, good morning. So ఇప్పుడు it's 27th morning around 6 a.m. My train is at 5:30 actually, but it got delayed. No, time is 5:20 now. My train is at 6 a.m. It's supposed to be at 5:20 but got delayed. वो पोस्टपोन हो गया टू 6 a.m. को डिले हो गया. But anyway, and the latest news is that my train that I booked is from Panipat to Patiala, but it's not stopping at Patiala. It got cancelled. So I decided to directly go to Amritsar because this train the last stop is Amritsar. So I'll just get in at 6 a.m. Sorry, so it reaches at 4 p.m. today in Amritsar. So I thought I'll go to Amritsar at 4 p.m. I'll take a room and I'll go do some shopping, have great food because పానీపట్నం అంతా గొప్పగా లేదు. దాని తర్వాత उधर से मैं चला जाऊंगा नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग टू गोल्डन टेम्पल एंड जलियांवाला बाग एंड गोविंदन दरगाह एंड द पार्टीशन म्यूजियम. So this is the plan. And after that 29th morning 6 a.m. is my flight. So I'll go by Uber. That will be done. So that's the plan. The reason I have decided to go to Amritsar is because anyway I'm very tired. Day 1 day to Delhi में बहुत घूम लिया. उसके बाद पानीपत में so much walk and Patiala also is entirely walk. So anyway it's not stopping there. So even if I want to go there, then there's something called Ambala Kant where the train stops. From there I need to take a bus, then go to Patiala and then go by walk, visit every place. Utna theek bhi nahi. There's only one place which is really good, which is Kulle Killa Mubarak. उससे ज़्यादा उतना खास भी नहीं है. I just wanted to visit a new two places in Punjab, but ठीक है. And after that again I have to take bus to Patiala. No, bus to Ambala Kant because Ambala Kant is like the main place, which like connecting place of everything. So that's the thing. उसके बाद yeah, and also there are like two things. Even if I go to Patiala, I need to decide if I have to go by night, which is like around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock to start to Amritsar, or my original plan, which is 3 a.m. in the morning, because my actual train booking is next day 3 a.m. morning, which is 28th 3 a.m. morning. But I thought, why to wait that long? Why can't I take some local bus from Patiala at around 6 or 7 o'clock and reach Amritsar around 2 or 3? That was the plan. So many things, which is the reason I'm like, okay, let's forget Patiala now, because anyway it's not going there, and directly let's go to Amritsar. So I've cancelled my first class ticket, and this is now second class, and I'll reach Amritsar by 4 p.m. But my booking is just till 9 a.m. So I have to figure out how I will stay in the train for the next from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's all for today, guys. Update soon.